Bonsai restaurant no, ini jong bonsai restaurant opening ceremony khai mani. Angkai jeni bonsai restaurant no varieties of foods available tongo, Indian food, Thailand food, okay varieties of mocktails. Jong norok jok no balai hambai biu khai kaham hambai. Thank you so much for coming and being present in this ceremony. Today we are celebrating the opening ceremony of the restaurant named Bonsai. We are so happy, and on behalf of my owner and the founder of the restaurant named Mr. Devarma, I welcome you all to all the medias and all the great leaders, and even the company named Ezekiel Builders, the founder of the same restaurant owner. So I once again, on behalf of my staff, welcome you all and thank you so much. I hope we are proceeding forward. We would serve you and satisfy you and available you all the dishes that are available in our menu. And in our restaurant, we provide you Chinese food, Indian food, and mocktails and all the other necessary things which are being requested. So thank you so much.